In this video about cryptocurrencies, we'll look at Solana, which is currently ranked 9th in terms of market capitalization with a value of about $9.88 billion. In the last 24 hours, Solana has seen a lot of trading, totaling about $417 million. Get ready, because we're about to talk about a really interesting thing that's happening with prices in Solana. Take a moment to relax and enjoy this film, which is full of important lessons. Let's start by looking at Solana's performance on the 12-hour time frame. The chart shows Solana's value in relation to the USD using the Dacian channel, a charting tool known for being able to find important market highs and lows. In particular, every time the market hits a low point, it tends to go up again. Right now, we're seeing a double rejection for Solana on the Dacian channel within the 12-hour time frame. This is a strong sign that Solana is about to go down, and the target level could be 23.60. Let me explain why I think this is true. To strengthen our analytical framework, let's look at the stochastic indicator, which is one of many possible indicators. By observing the occurrence of the blue line crossing over the red line, we can ascertain whether a bull ISH or bear ISH stance is appropriate for Solana. Whenever the blue line surpasses the red line, we observe an upward price movement. Conversely, when the red line surpasses the blue line, we witness a downward price movement. At this moment, it is crucial to note the current state of the market. Greetings, esteemed audience, and welcome to the present discourse on cryptocurrency. Today, our focus shall be directed towards an in-depth exploration of Solana, a digital currency presently occupying the ninth position in terms of ranking, boasting a market capitalization of approximately $9.88 billion. Notably, Solana's trading volume within the span of 24 hours amounts to a commendable $417 million. Thus, we kindly request that you prepare yourselves for an engaging analysis of price fluctuations that lie ahead. Let us commence our analysis by scrutinizing Solana within the 12-hour lead time frame, specifically focusing on the Solana versus USD chart. In this chart, we have depicted the Dacian channel, a tool utilized for identifying future price bottoms and tops in market movements. Upon careful analysis of the chart, a consistent pattern emerges, wherein the price consistently moves from the bottom to the top of the channel. However, our current observation reveals a double rejection pattern within the Dacian channel for Solana. This suggests that we should anticipate a downward movement towards the 23.60 level. Now let us delve into the underlying reasons behind this projection in order to provide additional substantiation for our analysis. Let's look at one of our indicators, the stochastic oscillator. When the blue line moves above the red line, it's a sign that the price will go up. Solana experiences an upward price movement. Conversely, when the red line crosses above the blue line, signifying a bear ISH signal, the price tends to decline. Currently, the red line has just crossed above the blue line, suggesting a potential downside for Solana in the near future. Moreover, if we examine the relative strength index RSI, we can observe the formation of a bear ISH divergence pattern. This further supports our expectation of a downside movement for Solana. Now let's shift our focus to lower timeframes such as the 4-hourly timeframe. In this chart, we can clearly see that once Solana pushed above the 200 EMA exponential moving average, we expected the price to surge to higher levels, which it did, resulting in a 6% increase. However, we have encountered a rejection at the 24.77 level as we were unable to sustain the upward momentum. Therefore, we might see a retracement back to the 200 EMA, which could potentially lead to a 3 to 4% decline in price for Solana. Furthermore, if we examine more indicators, we can notice another bear ISH divergence pattern indicating that the price might continue to decline. Furthermore, the cloud indicator serves to identify instances of oversold conditions, which are denoted by the green color. In order to anticipate a potential upward movement, it is preferable for the price to ideally reach the zero level on the cloud indicator. Lastly, it's important to note that the Z-score sign shows a lot of bear ISH pressure. This means that Solana may go through a correction in the near future, which could lead to a period of stability and then a drop. This is our analysis of Solana for today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thank you for watching, and may you have a blessed day. The picture on the screen is a Dacian channel, which is a technical indicator used to find market bottoms and tops. It's important to note that a clear pattern has emerged in the price movement of Solana. Whenever Solana has hit the lower boundary of this channel, there has been a lot of upward momentum. Right now, we're seeing a double rejection on the Dacian channel for Solana, which could mean a downtrend. One noteworthy instance is the utilization of the stochastic indicator. It has been observed that whenever the blue line surpasses the red line, a bullish trend is witnessed, leading to an upward movement in price. Conversely, when a red line surpasses the blue line, a bearish trend is observed, resulting in a subsequent downward movement. Presently, the red line has recently surpassed the blue line, indicating a potential downside movement for Solana. In addition to the aforementioned analysis, it is worth noting the presence of bearish divergence on the relative strength index RSI, which further suggests a potential downward movement for Solana. Shifting our attention to lower timeframes, specifically the 4-hourly timeframe, and using the Solana USD chart with Binance as the data source, we can observe that when the price exceeded the 200 exponential moving average EMA, it was anticipated to experience an upward push towards higher levels. As anticipated, the price of Solana has indeed increased by approximately 6%, which is a commendable outcome for those who have been following our analysis. However, the price has encountered resistance at the 24.77 level, failing to surpass it. Consequently, it is possible that we may witness a pullback towards the 200 EMA level, potentially resulting in a 3 to 4% downward movement for Solana. Furthermore, by examining the recent 2% rise in the price of Bitcoin in just 24 hours has made people wonder what it might mean for buyers. As the market continues to change, the question arises, does this rise mean that now is a good time to think about buying Bitcoin? We should find out. Michael Saylor's thoughts on the future of Bitcoin integration. In a recent radio interview, Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, talked about how he sees the growing trend of big companies adopting Bitcoin and making it the center of their business. Saylor stressed that third parties and businesses will always be a part of the Bitcoin ecosystem. He said that as Bitcoin becomes more common in society, different ways to use it will come up, and a one-size-fits-all solution may not work. Saylor gave 3 main reasons why the Bitcoin space needs custodians: a technical, politics, and it's only. Saylor agreed that, from a political point of view, some government structures might make it necessary to rely on third-party guardians. On the technical side, he understood that Layer 3 third parties like Bank of America and Apple help make mobile crypto transfers work. Saylor also said that it might be safer for some people, like the elderly or those who want to make sure their assets